What is up, all my people? We are back again. Today I'm going to be making a tutorial for you guys on how to remove backgrounds from an image without Photoshop, because I myself don't have Photoshop, and I bet a lot of you guys out there don't have Photoshop too, because let's be real, Photoshop be a little bit expensive sometimes. So anyway, to get started, all you guys need is a photo of your choice, right? So let's just look up, I don't know, Bayverse Optimus Prime, right? Let's get a pretty outlandish image here. We want one with background, so we'll just do this one for example. See, it's kind of blurry, but it's okay. We should be able to save the image. We'll just save it right here. Boom. And then we'll just, once you've downloaded your image, you want to go into your files. You want to right click the image that you've just downloaded. And then you want to hover over photos. On the right side, it'll say edit with photos. You click on that. Let it load for a second. Say okay. It's a pretty blurry image. Now once you are in here, you want to go to backgrounds. Select the remove tool. And bada bing bada boom, just like that. You've removed the entire background. Once you have the background removed, sometimes it'll remove extra pieces with it. Like if you go back to the image right here, this is it with the blur on. You'll see it removed this piece off of him. If you go to down here, you can select the brush tool, turn it on, and then all you have to do is just zoom out, re-zoom in as far as you can up here like this, and the more you zoom in, the smaller the brush will get. So all you have to do now is just kind of follow along the line like this, super easily. And then once you have, it's okay if you mess up. So you just want to remove this like so. Now you can go to add mask, go back over this part, and then do the same up here. Now, when you go to remove the background, it's all there. Once you've messed around and you've got your image set to go, all you do is you go up here to save as a copy, save the image. You can rename it to whatever you want. And then there you go. You have your image without the background ready to go. So for another example, if I go to this image, go to edit with photos. Once you are in here, you click OK. You go to backgrounds, go to remove. It removes the entire background. Now there are some outliers like this piece right here and this one over here. The person in the car, right? Some shadows. You want to go to the brush tool. Come over here. Erase these parts like so. It's just to get the idea across, right? So you just remove all these pieces. And then once you feel like you've removed everything, you click remove. And you're good to go. Now you'll notice there's a person in the car. If you do not want a person sitting inside the car or in a certain space of whatever your image may hold, you just click the erase tool up here. And then you don't want to draw all over the car, but you want to get this, the parts you're trying to remove out. So you just do this like so. Let it sit for a second. And then voila. Now nobody's in the car. It looks great. Once everything is all good to go, you just click save. Save as a copy. Save it again. There's already a file that exists. Yes. And boom, look at this. No person in the car, no backgrounds. You can smoothen things out with the brush tool. Like you'll see I still have some mishaps around the car. But like, it's just a super easy way to do it, right? Anyway, that's all for this video. I hope I was able to help some people out that can't afford Photoshop or that don't have Photoshop at their disposal. I want to thank every single one of you for coming out. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next one. Pa-pow!